Most of you are back. Now this driver analysis project, first I had to give you an idea. Yeah, maybe it has to do with the email ID type or your restriction on this one. Maybe some of the settings, we'll see that. Okay. Anyway, the second project is driver analysis project. We will go back to the classwork final project. If you open this final project, this is the first project. We will close this one. Go to this driver analysis project, open with Google Collaboratory. While you are submitting this assignment, you have to work everything on this only. Try to write as much commentary as possible. Remember, this is not only project for my submission. This project will also help as a cheat sheet for your future analysis as well. So take this project seriously. This dataset has been taken from Kaggle House Sales in King County, USA. The original source to the dataset can be found here. This is the original dataset. Kaggle is a very good resource for several datasets as well as the code. Already 855 solutions are submitted. Some people have built the model, some people have done only EDA. So you can refer to those as well. Some of them are quite useful. Some of them are quite interesting as well. But our problem statement is slightly different. Here we restrict ourselves to only driver analysis, import the packages that are required, import the dataset, get the dataset info. This is house price data. What we need to do in this data set is we need to predict the real estate house price based on relevant features like number of bedrooms are there, number of balconies, square feet of living, the condition of the house, good, bad, or the grading of the house, which location it is located, whether it has any waterfront or not, swimming pool is or not, whether it has been renovated or not. Based on these values, we need to predict the price of the house. Target is price based on number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, square foot living, square feet lot, number of floors, waterfront view. Obviously, you will decide the price of the house on several factors. We are specifically taking this data because it has all the complexity that we require, which has all the date type of variables, it has numerical, it has categorical, everything is there in this data set. It is just perfect for our driver analysis. Okay. So do these solutions one by one, perform basic exploration on all the numerical columns. Maybe we will try to complete until question number 5. First, we'll focus on this question, try to complete this within the stipulated time. Remaining 5 questions, I will leave it to you for the exploration. At least if we go until question number 5, you will have an idea on the full data set. Okay. Let us start with question number 1. Perform basic exploration on all the numerical columns. Simply draw box plot for all the numerical columns. Go ahead. Do this. Draw box plot for all the numerical columns. That is your first task so that you will get an idea on the numerical columns. If somebody has any solution or the code, quickly, if you have anything handy, you can paste it. Others can reuse that code. First, get all the numerical columns, store them in an array or a list, and then draw the box plot on each of them. If the column is in integer or float, then store them in numerical column. So you can make use of this code. You can save some time. So try to use this code, get all the numerical columns, store them in numeric calls, and draw the box plots for each of them. Okay. Go ahead. Quickly finish this. While you're doing this, I want you to have a look at the column names. What type of columns are there? It is an easy data set to understand. Everybody has this kind of experience with real estate data where we have the price of the house depends on all these features. Latitude, longitude, these are geographical feature. Zip code is another geographical feature. Square feet living, square feet lot. I think that lot may be a different type of looking at it. Yeah. Right. Use this code for